Okay, getting ready for our first start. Thing hasn't run. 68 Charger, 318, all original with some little bit of upgrading. Not upgrading, just some new stuff. Hasn't run since 1990 as far as we know, and we're going to try and bring it out of the garage for the first time ever under its own power. Okay, so just got our valve covers from Wildcat Auto Wrecking the other day. Avery painted them and made them look great. All new hoses all around, new carburetor, new air cleaner, new brakes. New belts, new radiator. So we just got rollers on it right now, so we're not looking too good yet, but we got seat tracks on order and carpet coming. So those are the next two things, but we're kind of dying to know whether the transmission works. We think it does, but we're gonna see what happens when we try to pull it out of the garage. New floors. Shout out to Dave Ray down in Eugene. Original interior. Pretty excited.